Hey guys, a couple of days ago there was a comment on one of my videos and it was a new subscriber and she wanted me to take a look into two of the projects, and I did look into them and I'm ready to tell you what I think about it. Once again, I'm Lisa, NFT Rex. Let's go. Okay, so both of these projects are kind of for you to have your own place, your own room where you can put your NFTs on the wall. And many people are, including myself, really excited about it. And the first one of the two that I'm gonna talk about tonight, it is ISOROOM. This project has already seen Genesis. ISOROOM floor price is still 0.2 and volume traded 1.2k, so all of them 3k have been sold. So this project was already successful, but this is Genesis, and they have announced there will be another collection coming really soon, so you should keep your eyes open for this one. This project is really good. It has almost 70k followers and many people are following and kind of interacting with it, and this looks kind of simple but really cool. It is just one room showcasing your NFTs, and here are some of the really famous ones. Would you like to do that? Yeah, it would be nice. And on their Twitter, they're still giving away whitelists for the upcoming project, so definitely worth your time. And these look really cool, and many of the people just have decided to make these look like their own rooms, and it is looking pretty good. They do have an Instagram, and over here, I mean, this is all about eye candy. And these guys, each one of them, they can express their creativity with their NFTs. This is really good. This is not just kind of stationary NFT. You can take a look at it. You can actually interact in real time with it. So many people would be really interested in it, I'm sure. And many people are. I mean, this project is sold out. ISO definitely has a Discord and it's quite active. There is plenty of people participating in their Discord. Yeah, this is just usual stuff. What is happening with the whitelist? So we should definitely follow announcements here. Discord is open for everyone at this moment, and there are contests, whitelist contests, and nothing is guaranteed, but contribute to the community, add ideas to the roadmap, bring in successful collaboration, provide values to the community, talent in 3D design, AR, VR, and all of that. So if you find yourself in any of these, you should definitely give it a shot. Okay, so number 2 project for the night is Starlight. I like the name Starlight, and there is a reason why it is called Starlight, as we can see over here. So there was a cataclysmic event, all of Earth, everything is destroyed. So the only survivors are on this spaceship. So you can get your NFT to get your room on this spaceship with survivors. Really nice story, I love the story. And there's gonna be 10,000 rooms, okay? 13k followers almost. This is not just the room, they also have some vehicles and everything. And I mean, take a look at this. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Very futuristic, but not kind of tacky. It looks really nice. So I really like the art and I really like the project and the story behind it. Okay, but let's talk about the technicalities of it. So they started on 31st of January. So it has been more than 2 months already. So they are not rushing it. They do have this website, and there's just a countdown to the time it will be minted. So 35 days from this moment. Now you can watch trailer. Trailer is the same one on Twitter. So it looks really cool. And I definitely think you should take some of your time and check it out. The scenario, the whole story behind this project, it is really enticing. And the roadmap, so foundation, the launch, meta space, and the flight, the beyond. Okay, it sounds really mystical. I like it. And the utilities. Okay, so what can we expect here? So it is a metaverse access. It's going to be a VR walkthrough of environment in-game advantages. Okay, battle pass, private Discord holder access. Okay, gameplay, priority access, and room display showcase your favorite NFTs on the Starlight space wall. Okay, sounds amazing. Let's check out the Discord. Okay, their Discord is looking pretty good. We have ETH price, it has dropped again, and there are members, 10k members, supply 10k, and mint date is 15th of May. So there is more than a month, and this project has definitely the time to grow even bigger. Yeah, so nothing special here, but of course, as always, we must talk about whitelist. How do you get it? And they emphasize that you cannot get a whitelist any other way. You can just do many things, participate, and nothing can guarantee your whitelist. All whitelists will be hand-picked. So as always, there will be some giveaways, nominations, just contributing to the community, making your art and memes, whatever you're good at. And nothing is guaranteed, but you know how it works. Good luck. Thank you very much, and may the odds be in your favor.